Good morning, neighbors. I am working on another Valentine's project, but welcome back to my channel, or welcome back to the neighborhood, okay? Being that y'all are my neighbors, I am, let me start off first. I painted this board. I had some extra wood from the old stool shelf that I made, and this is extra wood that I had cut. You know how when you go into Hobby Lobby, you know, Pier 1, all your home stores, you see these big outdoor signs, and they will cost you anywhere from $19.99 to $24 or $29, depending on how thick and how wide they are. So I decided to make my own. The stencils that I got from Dollar Tree, I cut them up and I utilized the bigger letters in that. This is what I got from Dollar Tree, and you have two of the same sizes. You have a medium and a small, and this was the large right here. And they're not stencils, but I made them stencils. You could put these like on your wreaths or whatnot, or you could just put some strings on them and hang them up. You can decorate them how you choose to, but I chose to cut mine so I could utilize the letters on this board. Okay, I have painted my board pink, and I'm going to trace this out, and I'm going to paint these letters, even though they outlined in black. I am going to paint the inside of them white. And then I also painted this arrow here that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to put the arrow on this. I'm going to make something out of this. One side is red, one side is pink. And depending on which side I choose to go on, I am going to do it something like this. Well, y'all can't see that. But when I decide what to do with it, you know, y'all will be the first to see what I'm doing, okay? So let's get to tracing out these letters, okay? And I got the letters where I want them. Even though they're in pencil, I wanted them to be bold in the black. So when I do go in and paint with my white, hopefully I won't go outside the line, okay? And I wanted it to be bold. So y'all work with me. Okay. And I hope it's not crooked, because y'all know every time I come on here I keep telling y'all my hands don't work right for some reason. Well, they work, and I thank God for what I got, you know. But when I say they don't work right, they don't like to cooperate. Get what I'm saying? They like to do their own thing. They creative too. I created mischief. Okay, see this line, y'all? Okay. Okay, I have finished painting. And let me see, I have put the little hearts on there. painted this one red. I hope y'all can see that. This is what I'm about to put on it now. The little arrow. Should I turn it on the pink, the red side? Pink tint came out a little bit better, didn't it? But I'm gonna turn it on the red side, y'all. And I got my hot glue gun. I am gonna throw this on here. Let's see. How does that look? Let me see. Right over the L. Thinking it may like that. What y'all think? Do y'all think that's gonna fit on there? How do y'all like this little setup? I was thinking about doing something, putting some glitter in this right here, but then I got the little glitter Valentine hearts right here. And I need to put one more right here. Right above here. To make it even or even it out. And I got this little packet right here from Dollar Tree. And it came with like 8 of them in there. And you just pull them on off. Whoop. Ooh. Put this one right here. Right there. Wayward hearts. You know, they going all kind of ways. I have some wooden glue. Got my Gorilla Glue, wooden glue. I think I'm gonna put that on there. And it's between the red heart and the pink heart that I'm gonna use on this arrow. I like the pink side, I really do. And then I can use my red heart to go there. But it's too, well, I guess it's too color coordinated. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Put some glue right here. And I can put some, so it'll stick automatically, right? Just go ahead and put some hot glue right there so it'll stick how I want it. Right there. Yep. Put this, I hope y'all can see this. Put this right here. Over this. Let's see. Right there. Might have to put a right there. Right there. I'm assuming. Ooh, let's see. Nope. I messed that up. Right there. And I can always lay something right there and clean it up once it's finished. Drying and set. This is my project for today, you guys. And I want to come in and do a video every day until Valentine. But I know I'm not going to be able to do that because I gotta go to work, y'all. But it's so many Dollar Tree DIYs that you can literally do that is simple and easy, and you can DIY it, do it yourself, and don't have to spend a whole lot of money. And this is it for this project. And all I have to do now is, if I choose to, this wood is heavy, so I know I'm not going to put no string on it to hang it anywhere. And I know I'm not going to put a stand on the back of it. This is actually going on my step outside, my stoop outside. And once I do some touch-ups, I should be good to go. You guys. Yep. Once I do a little bit of touch-ups, I should be good to go. I'm going to go back in with my Sharpie and everything, and outline everything. Make it big and bulky again. There we go. There you go. Clean those lines up. See how that work out? So I just trace out these lines again. Clean up the missteps and the mishaps on this paint. And I should be good to go. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope you enjoyed doing this project along with me, or watching me do this project. And again, if you feel like you can do it, please do your own and then tag me so I can see what yours is looking like. Okay? And the wood is not that expensive at Home Depot. 1x12 board will cost you $8 or $9, and you can get 3 or 4 pieces out of that 9 or 12 foot board that you get for $9. So again, this is a simple project that you can do to dress up your outside, which this is what I'm gonna use it for. And let me know, leave me a comment on what you think I should have done different, or if you felt like I should have done anything different, or if you liked the video, or you like what I was doing. Just thumbs the video up, you guys, as well as, hey, share the video with your neighbors as well. Like, subscribe if you are new coming to my channel and you enjoy the content that I do put up on my video. Please hit the subscribe button. Become my neighbor. Okay? And with that, I am going to say, y'all, stay blessed, stay faithful, and stay humble. And everything that you do, you guys, do it in love. And that is Corinthians 16 and 14. I did a video, and I put the correct book up there, but I misspoke. So y'all don't beat me up for that, because once I realized I misspoke, I actually went in and edited and put the correct quote, or the correct chapter and verse up there. So again, y'all, stay blessed, okay? And with that, I am going to say peace.